I'm Connie from Promotion by the River, and today I want to share with you what I just received from Island Batik as an Island Batik ambassador for 2024. We get 2 shipments, one in January and one in July for projects that we make. First thing in here, and yes, I did open this box already, it's going to be a bag, a tote bag that I'm going to make for my October challenge and project. I picked out fabric. I can't remember what all is in there, so it'll be fun to check. And the pattern is by my Annie, and I have received everything that I need to make this tote. And this is going to be a challenge for me, but I look forward to trying it. I also received a surprise package, and this I don't open yet. This is going to be for our blog hop in November, and I'll share it with you then. We have another blog hop that will be coming up in September, and I am going to be using the Twilight Collection, and these are beautiful fabrics. So I received that, and then I received two 2-yard pieces of coordinating fabrics that I'll use with this. I believe this is going to be my applique project. We also received Aurifil Thread that will coordinate, and I'll be able to use with these fabrics. Let's see. I also received 3 4-yard pieces of solid batiks, and these are great for, like when I just did my last quilt, my Vibrant Joy, and I used all black, and I also did it in white. And then this is a gray, and I haven't had this gray before. I have normally gotten this gray, so I might try doing something with mixing the 2 grays. I also received 1/2-yard pieces of coordinating fabrics to go with all the different things that we'll be doing for the next few months. There are solids and there are blenders in here, so these are going to be fun to use. This is called Poetic Bouquet, and it's 10-inch squares, and there's 42 pieces and 20 different designs. Better turn it up this way for you. And then I have 2 2-yard pieces that coordinate. I also received basics. This is Glorious Green, and these are 2.5-inch strips. There's 42 of them in 20 different colors, and these are great for projects. I also received Ravishing Red, and it's another one that's a basics, but it's 10-inch pieces of fabric, so I'll be using it. And I received a 6-inch or 6-yard. I received a 6-yard neutral fabric, and this is called Corn Silk. You can never have too many neutrals as far as I'm concerned. I love using them in my quilts. Stash builders. Island Batik has these. These are little 5-inch wide by the width of the fabric pieces of, a lot of them are from their older collections, and they've cut them like that, and these are great to use for scrap projects. The first box that I'm opening is the box with all the Hobbs Batting. That's my favorite type of batting. This is a Hobbs with black batting, and this is an 80-20, which is 80% cotton, 20% polyester, and the size is a queen size. And I just finished a quilt, my Vibrant Joy, that I used a black batting in from Hobbs. The next one is a Hobbs fusible batting. This is a cotton, 100% cotton, queen size, And I haven't used, believe it or not, fusible batting before, so this will be interesting for me. This is a Hobbs Tuscany Collection Ultimate Quilt Batting. And this is a twin size. And let's see, it's 100% unbleached cotton. And I have used this before. Here is another Tuscany collection. This is a silk blend. A silk blend in a twin size. And then I have this. And I know people use it and make jackets and things. This is a Thermore and ultra thin, non-bearding, and this is a queen size, which is 90 by 108. And I haven't used this before, so this will be fun to try out. I have a lot of quilt projects that I'll be sharing with you in the coming months. So thank you, Island Batik, Hobbs, Aurifil, and by Annie for all the products that you have sent me.